Hey, what is up, everybody? Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving, and you already know who I am. I'm Jason. So I'm really a good cook, honestly. Call me Chef Ramsay. I don't know. I'm like one of the best cooks I know. So like, if you need catering, hit me up. Like hit me up. Like I be grilling. I be grilling. I'm the best. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Wait. Hold up. Right now, I'm not looking like a chef at all. I got you. Hold up. Ooh, snap, oh snap, oh snap. I be looking like a real chef right now. Let's get straight into it. So, you may ask, what's on the menu today, Chef Jason? Well, wait for it. We're gonna be making French toast. Oh, I forgot the best part. With some scrambled eggs. Let's get right into it. Now, of course, you're gonna need a stove. I don't know how else you're just gonna hold it and French toast magically appears. That'd be sick. But at my house, we got this skillet here. So to start it off, we're gonna be needing some. So we need some bread, milk, vanilla, and my personal favorite, cinnamon in my French toast. So let's get straight into it. We got a vanilla? Are you serious? No! Oh wait. Ta! There it is. So how can I be a chef without telling you the most important rule after cooking? So the most important rule after cooking is to clean up after yourself. You do not want to mess. And like honestly, you can do it after you eat, but I like doing it like before I eat, so then I can just sit down, relax, put on the Saturday cartoons with the kids, you know? So always clean up after you cook.
Around.